Good morning, everyone. Just wanted to show you something I've been trying out the last few weeks. So I got this portable battery, and to it I just have a battery charger maintainer guy because I have solar panels on all my trailers and they work great, but this is the first one that I have that broke. So I don't know, and they're gonna give me a refund. I just got to prove if it's the panel that's broke, the wire that's broke, or the wire splits into where you can see how charged it is. I just can't show you because it's buried in there. So they just want me to prove what part's broken. They'll send me a new one. I just haven't done that yet. But in the meantime, to charge these batteries, instead of taking them out, because sometimes it's a pain, sometimes they're tight. This one isn't as bad. But I figured I'd try these portable batteries because we can still see on this charger that I have how charged the battery is. You can see it's pretty much full. Was double checking it, so I'll leave it here all day. This nice battery says how full it is left. And then, well, another reason I got that, same reason, but on my gooseneck I don't have a solar panel yet. So instead of taking the battery out of there, which I can do, because otherwise, if I don't use that charger, I just take out these batteries and I bring them home with this same exact charger, or one of three that are very similar. So I've just been testing out bringing that to that gooseneck trailer into here. But the solar panels have been working flawlessly. I mean, every single trailer, that utility over there, the deck over tilt, the equipment trailer, my 3 dump trailers, and then these 2 car haulers and 1 other car hauler that I had before, they all have solar panels, all work great. Obviously, gotta take the snow off, like we have a little dusting of snow, so they're not doing anything now. But that charger's working good. It's also cold, so you know, that's also a variable in the test, but it seems to be working the few times I've used it so far. Heck yeah, let me know what you guys do to charge your batteries. Oh, also, I guess we'll make this video a little longer. Of course, all these already have, most of the trailers, batteries, they have, you know, a plug like this. That's super nice, but I mean, I'm not by a building or anything. Because in the past too, I've either used those plugs or used this same charger just on a really small generator that I have. I mean, I think it takes a gallon and it lasts, I don't know, 16 or 18 hours or something, maybe 12 at the absolute lowest. It's a while. And I've charged them like that too, but you know, I figure just try this out, because these weren't that much money online. So heck yeah, let's get it.